So today we're going to check out an area of Shibuya that just opened last month, September 13th, 2018, and it's called Shibuya Stream. Let's go check this place out. Look what a cute way to recycle the lemon boxes and make a table out of it. And this is so cute, right? This is perfect for Japan and the Instagram crowd. This is a pretty trendy deli market, so you can get food to go and packaged foods. So right, if you can't, if you don't have the time to have lunch out or dinner out and you're on the job and you just need a quick snack or quick bite to eat, they've got lots of cool packaged stuff. Shibuya Stream is located on the south side of Shibuya Station, right outside exit 16B. It has kind of a different feel than the northern part of Shibuya. Definitely go check out the many exciting places they have to eat and drink and just relax. I think my favorite was the lemonade stand. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again.